In this lecture, we are going to learn about the different types of data in the statistical world. Let us first understand what is data. Data refers to a collection of facts, observations, measurements, or information that can be processed or analyzed. It can exist in various forms like numbers, text, images, audio, or video. In the context of statistics, data is fundamental as it serves as the basis for statistical analysis and inference. Now, data is relevant in statistics for several reasons. Firstly, descriptive statistics. Data is used to describe and summarize characteristics of interest in a population or sample. Descriptive statistics provide measures like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and percentiles, which help to understand the central tendency, variability, and distribution of the data. Number 2, inferential statistics. Data is crucial for making inferences or drawing conclusions about a population based on a sample. Inferential statistics use probability theory and sampling techniques to generalize findings from a subset of data or sample to a larger population. Number 3, hypothesis testing. Data is used to test hypotheses and determine the significance of observed differences or relationships. Hypothesis testing involves formulating a null hypothesis, that is, no effect or relationship, and an alternative hypothesis, collecting data and assessing the evidence against the null hypothesis. Number 4, statistical modeling. Data is employed to build statistical models that represent relationships, patterns, or predictions in the data. Models can be used to analyze complex data, identify trends, make predictions, or simulate scenarios. Number 5, decision making. Data plays a vital role in decision making. Statistical analysis of data provides insights and evidence to support or guide decisions in various fields, including business, economics, medicine, social sciences, and many more. It is important to ensure that the data used in statistical analysis is accurate, reliable, and representative of the population or phenomenon of interest. Data quality, including factors like completeness, accuracy, consistency, and relevance, greatly influence the validity and reliability of statistical conclusions. Now, let us move on to the different types of data. Now, there are two main types of data, numerical and categorical. Numerical data consists of continuous or discrete numerical values. It can further be divided into two subtypes. Number 1, continuous numerical data. Continuous numerical data can take any value within a specific range. Examples include age, height, weight, temperature, etc. Second is discrete numerical data. Discrete numerical data consists of whole numbers or integers, like number of siblings, number of pets, number of cars, etc. To analyze numerical data in Python, you can use statistical measures like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, and percentiles. The NumPy and pandas libraries provide functions and methods to perform these calculations. Let us explore the numerical data from the Employee Dataset. For that, we will have to open our Jupyter notebook and then import the pandas library. Then we read the Employee Dataset using the read_CSV function. After looking at the first 5 rows of the Employee Dataset using the head function, we can notice that there are many columns present in this data. Finally, we need to specify int or int inside the select_dtypes function to get to look at all the numerical data from the employees dataset. You can see that age, daily rate, distance from home, education, etc. Now these columns have numerical data, out of which age, daily rate, and distance from home are continuous numerical data, whereas the education column has discrete numerical data. Now let us move on to the categorical data. Categorical data consists of non-numerical or discrete values that belong to a specific category. It can further be divided into subtypes. Number 1, nominal data. Nominal data represents categories that have no specific order or ranking, like gender, color, occupation, marital status, etc. Number 2, ordinal data. It represents categories that have a specific order or ranking, like education level, for example, high school, bachelor's degree, master's degree, or customer satisfaction rating, like very satisfied, satisfied, neutral, dissatisfied, extremely dissatisfied, etc. To analyze categorical data in Python, you can calculate frequencies, proportions, and create data visualizations like bar plots, pie charts, and histograms using libraries such as pandas, matplotlib, and seaborn. Let us again use the select_dtypes function and specify object to look at the columns having categorical data. You can look at the output. We have got all the columns which are categorical in nature. Here are all the columns that are attrition, business travel, department, education field, gender, job role, marital status, etc. They are all nominal data. We do not have any column in this data set which is ordinal in nature. Ordinal data has order in itself. For example, if we have a column called performance, which has 3 different values: poor, average, and good. So here you can see that there is an order between poor, average, and good, which is that average performance is better than a poor performance, and a good performance is better than an average performance. So I hope you have got a clear understanding of types of data in statistics. And with this, we have reached the end of our lecture.